So I feel like I've said it a million times, but I really don't like these grills on the BMW X3, mainly because of the color itself, but we're finally gonna change that today. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're finally going to be swapping out the grills on the BMW X3. So these ones over here for some gloss black, double slit, much more aggressive looking grills. So I feel like I've said this a million times, I just really don't like these grills. Not really for the style of them, but more specifically for the color. They have this really awkward like bronze color to it. So I just want to get rid of it, swap them out for some gloss black ones. So obviously in this video, we're going to be focusing on the grills, but later on, we're going to get rid of this over here. We're going to swap out the mirror caps, which I actually finally got in the mail as well. So if you guys stick around to the end of the video, maybe I'll give you a sneak peek about that one, because it's actually not just gloss black. Also these side vents, which I'm not just going to replace with a black one, I'm actually going to get a more aggressive one for this. So right now, let's just focus on the grill. I'll show you guys the new ones that I got, and then we'll install them. So now here they are. They do look really good, honestly. There isn't too much to a grill, it's just plastic really, and then a whole bunch of clips to fit in properly, but this one looks pretty good. So if you guys do want it, I will leave some links down in the description below. I actually got it off eBay for a pretty reasonable price. It was the cheapest place that I can find it for, and for a grill, I really don't think you need to go expensive. So there's not too many videos online showing you how to install the grills on these cars, but from what I've seen and what I've kind of played around with, it looks like it should be pretty easy, actually easier than the 435 that I have. So we're gonna kind of figure this out as we go along, but to install this, guys, we first have to pop open the hood. So of course, being a BMW, do it twice. Now once you guys lift up the hood, you'll notice the grills are obviously over here, and you can see some clips over here for the grill. So I believe all that we have to do is sort of like push these in, and then we should be able to kind of pull the grill outwards, and then from there I believe the bottom one should come out pretty easily. So yeah, let's give that a shot and see if that works. So we ran into a bit of an issue. So if you guys saw from that last clip, I actually ended up breaking one of the tabs on the grill, and now it's still stuck inside the bumper over here. So as I'm learning this as I go, what I've realized is when you put these tabs inside, they're supposed to slide into over here, not over here up top. But if you guys can see, whoever installed this previous grill, they put it on the wrong one. So now it's like getting caught up top, and I can't seem to get this thing out. As you can see, I already have some battle scars to prove it. Yeah, so shout out to whoever installed this grill. You guys did it wrong, and now it's costing me like 10 more minutes to install this what should be easy grill. So let me see if I can get this out right now. If you guys can see, that's where it's getting caught on, but it just kind of sucks because now these grills are broken. I mean, I'm sure you can still use them. Like, I'm sure 2 tabs will be enough, but it just sucks, man. I just wish whoever installed these did it the right way. Pretty sure the other side is gonna be the same thing. So it is what it is, guys. Make sure you do things the right way, so that way the second owner doesn't have a difficult time doing it. Alright, so another update. We got the tab off. What I ended up doing, guys, is breaking this tab in the middle over here, because that's what was keeping it on. That took me so much longer than it needed to. So what I'm gonna do is actually snap on the new one right now so we can see the new and the old side by side. And then after that, we're gonna take off the other side. I'm really hoping it's a lot easier than this side. Hopefully we don't have any things like this happen. So I guess we'll see. Alright, so installing these things were so much easier than uninstalling them. So as you guys can tell, we have the new grill on. It honestly looks so much better than the old one. I'm actually glad I didn't do that one right now, just so we can see them side by side. And honestly, it makes a huge difference. Let me just take a step back really quickly. Obviously, I'll give you guys some better shots when they're both on, but just for now, so you can see the difference between the two, this one just looks so much more aggressive. Like, it suits the car so much better now. But yeah, guys, I really like the way that this turned out. And for such a cheap mod, for something that should be pretty easy to install, although it wasn't for me, maybe it will be for you, this thing looks great. So now we're gonna install the other side. I'm just gonna put you guys on a complete time lapse. Once they're both installed, I'll close the hood, give you guys a proper look at it. After that, I'll give you guys a sneak peek of the next mod that I'm doing to this SUV. Just a hint, it's not just gloss black, so I think it's gonna be really cool. So definitely stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's get into this. I can't make this up. They literally did the same thing to the other side. Now this one, when I was pulling it out, what started to happen is it started to break on the back of the grill rather than the tab itself. So I can probably give you a better look of what they messed up specifically. So as you can see from this side here, when this tab slides in, it's supposed to go inside this little plastic hole over here. Whereas this one, they didn't go inside the plastic hole, they basically went above it. So like if I can show you on this side, rather than going in like that, they went in like that between the plastic and the bumper. And what that causes to happen is this tab over here gets like somewhere stuck inside here, and it's like almost impossible to take it off. So we're literally gonna be stuck in that same exact situation again. Now we have to try to break this clip again. These grills are probably useless after this. Freaking sucks, man, but it is what it is. All right, so at least this time, since I knew what happened, it didn't take me as long to do it. But what I just ended up doing is breaking the clip and forcing the old grill off. So unfortunately, because I did that, not only is the center one broken, but this one on the side over here is about to break, and then one over here broke all the way. Also, this piece over here is broken. So it sucks, man, because they did it wrong. Again, these grills are pretty much garbage. But anyways, let's throw on the last grill. We'll shut the hood, and then you guys will get a good glimpse of what the final product looks like. So here it is, guys, the finished product. Honestly, this looks so good. It looks so much better than before. I'm so glad this color is gone and we replaced it with a gloss black. Not only that, but we also have the double slit as well, which looks super, super aggressive. It does look a little funny with these vents behind it that open and close, but that's just a normal X3 thing. Obviously, it looks good already, but we're also gonna be blacking out the other portion of the bumper. We're also gonna get a front lip, and we're gonna do a lot of other things to it as well. But anyways, as I promised, I said I'll show you guys like a sneak peek of another mod that I'll be doing to this car. So let me show you that. So as promised, here is a sneak peek. Obviously, if you can't tell, these are carbon fiber mirror caps. So like how we replaced the color over here on the front grille with gloss black, we're gonna be replacing these with carbon fiber, real carbon fiber. So I'm definitely super excited for that mod. That also I think is gonna give a much more aggressive look to the X3. But with that said, guys, if you wanna see that video, definitely hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop me a like, drop me a comment, guys. Let me know what you think about the new grills, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.